Now, I wonder how that could have happened.
I don't know, but they can't blame us for it.
But we was here. That's circumstantial evidence.
Well, let's dig.
All right, let's get out of here. Zoot toot.
Hey, stop!
Uh-oh. What do we do now?
Sing Mammy, that'll stop them. Look out!
Where'd they go?
Now, take it easy, Mother. Don't aggravate your rheumatism.
careful,
Good
dear.
morning, officer. What's new?
Nix on that. What's your hurry?
We're just getting our exercise, taking our girls for a walk.
I was just taking my mother to the races.
Why did you break that window?
What window?
Quiet, Mother.
Then why were you running?
We always get blamed, so we run. There ain't no law against running, unless you're a politician.
You kids are always doing something. If it ain't one thing, it's another. You're just a bunch of hoodlums.
Is that a nice way to talk in front of a poor, dyspeptic lady?
Don't let it get you, Clarice. Coppers ain't got no manners.
I got a good mind to have your badge confiscated.
Come on, White.
You're
Take that
through.
stuff off.
I ain't gonna